G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making a cocktail called the Maple Sipper. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is fill up your whiskey glass with ice. Let it chill down. There we go. All right, with your shaker, fill up some ice. We're going to do 45 mils of your bourbon of choice. Next one, which is in this amazing bottle, 20 mils of apricot brandy. Whoa, there we go. Fantastic. We're going to do 20 mils of maple. That brings the sweetness to the cocktail. Last piece is about 20 mils or so of fresh lemon juice. And shake it up. Alrighty. Smells good. Strain over the ice. Delicious. All right, to garnish, we're going to have a nice bit of lemon peel. Just give that a quick little spray. In it goes. And there you have the Maple Sipper. Enjoy.